In this video, we'll show you how to use the color and transition effects available in WeDJ to add creative flair and vary the sound of your sets. Each channel has a color effects knob on the mixer section of the DDJ-200, between the EQs and channel faders. To select which color effect you'd like to use, tap the drop-down box in the Color Effects screen in WeDJ. This opens a menu of 5 different color effects to choose from. These are Filter, Jet, Crush, Noise, and Pitch. When you turn the color effects knob on each deck, the effect will be applied to that track. Turning this knob to the right will affect the high frequencies, and turning it to the left will affect the low frequencies. Try the different effects for yourself to hear how they change the character of your mix. WeDJ also features transition effects, which provide help with mixing by applying pre-assigned audio effects in sync with your crossfader movements. To select an effect, tap the Transition FX button at the bottom center of the WeDJ performance screen. This opens the Transition Effects selection window and the options available to change the way transition effects work. These effects are divided into sections to help you easily identify which one you want to use. For example, an effect on the bottom right of the window will be a mix effect that helps you create a breakdown, and an effect at the top left of the window will be a cut-in effect that helps you create a build-up. To use transition effects, hit the button on the mixer section of the DDJ-200 controller. Now, when you move the crossfader from one deck to the other, the transition effect will be automatically applied in sync with the crossfader movement, switching between the tracks seamlessly. Now we're going to take a look at how you can use the transition effects to creatively mix between tracks. To use the cut-in transition effects, you need to set a cue point for the incoming track. Then, when you move the crossfader all the way across to the incoming deck, the track will start playing from this cue point. To use the mix effects, make sure you've beat matched and synced the tracks you want to mix together. Then you can use the crossfader with transition effects to creatively mix from one track to another. Try to time your crossfader movements to the beat structure and timing of the tracks for smoother mixes. You can buy more transition effects to use in your mixes via the Settings menu in WeDJ.